This is the schedule of my free online chemistry workshop for February 2026. Is February 2nd, February 9, and February 23. We do not have workshop on February 16. It's all on Monday. The time, it will be 6 p.m. in Singapore, Hong Kong, and Manila. International students are welcome. Please join. If you're in Jakarta, the time would be at 5 p.m. We are going to cover a chapter in chemistry called the atomic structure. This is a very important topic for you to understand other topic in chemistry, because there are some chemistry lessons that you learn from your secondary school that you need to revise a little bit. For example, this is the dot and cross diagram, also called the Lewis diagram for sodium. From the picture, you see that the electrons are grouped 2 by 2 on the second shell there. The space for the 2 electrons is called an orbital. Then if you should ask why these 2 electrons are near to each other. Both of them are negatively charged, so they're supposed to repel each other because both of them are negative. But the explanation is not there when you're in secondary school, so we are going to cover that. Right? It's very important for your understanding of chemistry. This is my Zoom link. My meeting number is 337-275-3433. Yeah, we are going to use an online whiteboard called Miro. This is the link and the QR code. It's a good app. You can later you will see when you join the class, you can write something there, right? Oh, please download on your tablet or iPad or headphone if you can, because later you can write. Either you can use your fingers or you can use stylus. It will work, right? The best if you have a bigger tablet. It's very interactive. You can write your question there. You can write your answer also. I can explain on your mistake. Yeah, you can see my explanation. Very simple, right? And it's real time. It's like as if I'm standing beside you. Yeah, please book your seat by email. This is my email address, cecilsie@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me at this number. The country code is 65 for Singapore, and 96281754. Please join if you can. Only 1 hour. That's it.